In this short video I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in a PowerInspired VIS1000B sinewave UPS. PowerInspired is the brand name. There we go. They're probably some of the best value UPSs, sinewave UPSs on the market at the moment. This one's not plugged in, but if I switch it on here, you can see that it runs happily on its built-in batteries. Now, batteries in UPSs need replacing every 3 to 5 years. Unfortunately, for some reason they didn't include the replacement procedure in the documentation, so here's how to do it. We'll start with it turned off, of course, and then first thing I need to do is to lay it on its back. Quite heavy, it's got 2 big lead acid batteries in. So here at the bottom on the front I've got a small positive drive screw to undo. And then the next bit is probably the most tricky bit of the whole process. There's a plastic doohickey that pokes up and engages with a slot in the front part of the case. We want to poke down that plastic thing so we can slide the front of the case off. So that goes down. And there we are, I can poke the front of the case off. Now I need to undo these 4 deep set screws. It's a plastic case, so it doesn't buzz when the transformer's running in battery mode. 2 screws, 3 screws, and then on to the final 4th screw. And we've got to remember that if we short these batteries in any way, it's going to go with a flash and a bang. So that's the safety notice. Be careful. Now I've got to hold it together with my hands. It's got no screws in it. I'm going to turn it back over the other way and the screws are going to fall out. There we go. Move them out the way. This cover that we unclipped from the bottom now lifts up off the top. And then here's where I need my thick book, because the wires inside aren't quite long enough for it to lie down on the table next to it. I lift off the top and turn it over, unping that wire there, and now it can lie down next to the rest of the case. If I take off this wire as well, then I can lift out one of the 2 batteries. As supplied, it comes with a branded battery, the USA NPW3612. That's a 12 volt 7 ampere hour battery. It's one of the commonest sizes that's out there, and that's what we're trying to replace. 2 of those to replace, 1, 2, and when we're done, pop them back where we got them from. Put the leads back on, put the cover back on top, clip the front cover onto the front, turn it over, put the screws in, job's done.